Well, hello and welcome to our channel again. It's now the 17th of May and it's a Sunday and it's a beautiful day. As you can see, there's a few clouds in the sky, but it's really hot and sunny today. And we're down in the Albufeira Marina at the moment. We've just had a cup of coffee. I'll show you the one where we've had a cup of coffee in a minute. And we just had a walk along the other end of the marina and now we're walking back again. You can see everywhere's open now. There's lots and lots of restaurants and bars. There's a spa. There's a hairdressers. There's tattoo shops. There's kids rides. There's all sorts of things down here. As you can see, it's quite lively. There's Sharky Spa, which is quite busy. And Elite Ashes next door. So go and have your eyelashes done while your husband's next door having a pint. There's also seating across the other side of the marina for people to sit and have drinks and food. There's fat cats there, just gone past. And there's shops as well. There's a few shops. Not many shops. There's mainly eating and drinking outlets. You can also hire some boats out down here, and you can go on boat rides, boat trips. We'll come to that in a little while. There's an Italian restaurant. I can't pronounce the word, so I won't bother. There's Dock 7, which is named after the marina dock, I suppose. Dock number 7. Quite a big place. And we're coming down in a minute to some kiddies rides. As you can see, extensive menus. I won't stop and didn't bother to stop at any of the menus to show you them. As you can see, people are just relaxing, and it's quite busy. There's wine and sushi, I think that's called. Yeah, wine and sushi. So there's different types of restaurants. It depends on what you want. Depends on what you're looking for. There's the kiddies rides, one of the ones I was telling you about, like bumper cars. They go round and round for the kids, €2 each. And then there's an arcade there, Hot Shot Bowling's a big bowling alley inside. I think they used to have go-karts as well, but I don't know whether they've still got them inside. Because there's an indoor go-kart track, quite a big one actually. Bumper cars there, as you can see. There's plenty to do for the kids as well. Little rides there for the little ones. Steakhouse, Pecan Brasha. I can't pronounce that one either. What am I like? Anyway, Pecan Brasha, there you go. Look. And then there's the Irish pub there, which we've been in before. They do live music there. It's good. We came down here about a year and a half ago, I think it was. It was the last time we were down here. And it was a bit quieter because it was November time. We went into our Irish pub Jack and they had live music and we had a nice meal. So that was good. You can't beat an Irish pub. Tasca, Portugal, Portuguesa, traditional Portuguese food in that one. And there's some people down here that are queuing up to buy tickets to go on the boat rides, which go out up to Benadryl Caves and they go dolphin watching. You can go deep sea fishing. You can go kayaking, parasending. You can go in a fast boat and you're thrown all over the place if that's what rocks your boat, so to speak. Excuse the pun. That's what these people are waiting for now. They're booking up with Algar Experience for their boat trips, which we'll come to down the end in a minute. Another restaurant there. Quite lively. It's not packed, but it is like lunchtime, 12 o'clock, I think this was recorded. So get busier as the day goes on, and at night it's lovely at night, all lit up. Lemon Drops, we went in there once back along a few years ago now, had a nice coffee and pastel de nata, which is the traditional Portuguese to die for custard tarts. They are, or some people say they don't like them. I don't understand why they don't like them, but each to their own, I suppose. But I can't get enough of them, they're lovely. Everybody's so friendly as well. You never got anybody moaning about filming. That's a new one. We went in there earlier on, had a cup of coffee. Well, not in there. We went opposite and sat by the marina in this little bit here. Had a nice cup of coffee. Just what the doctor ordered, so to speak. Late morning coffee. Ideal. It's fairly new, this one. I think they've only just opened up. The previous one had closed down. They've opened up now with all brand new tables and chairs. Nice and relaxing. Dreamwave, gate number 4. That's another cafe there. Here's all the people again queuing up to book up for their boat trips. And there you can see the length of the marina there. And here is you can see people on segways going along. The kids can take they've got some quad bikes and things like electric quad bikes for the kids, and they can just ride them around on that big expansive concrete that's there. These people who are just coming up off the marina, they've just come back from a boat trip, and these people here in front of us now are queuing up to go on the boat trip, which leaves from just to the right of us. And then you can see down here in the distance, you can see the little kiosks that you can book up. There's some on the side of the marina, and there's some over the other side there, as you can see there. Like I said, all these people here are waiting to go on the boats. Some of them are going to go on the fast one, and some of them are going to go on the slower ones. It all depends on what you're looking for. As you can see, this guy's come around on the Segway. I actually hired one of those in Lanzarote once. Quite an experience. It's weird sensation. You think you're going to fall off, but no, you don't. Not if you're careful. There you go. There's basically Albufeira Marina, and it's stunning today. Beautiful place. Look at the colours. Absolutely gorgeous. Catch you in the next one.